Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do a breakdance. First, let's establish your foundation. Start by learning toprock, which are upright dance steps that build rhythm and confidence. Then, move to basic footwork on the ground, like the 6 step, which involves moving your legs around your body in a circular motion. Finally, practice a foundational freeze, such as the baby freeze, to develop static strength and balance. These initial steps are crucial for building a strong base. Once you're comfortable with the 6 step, expand your ground game by learning the 3 step and 4 step. These variations will give you more options for movement and creativity. Pay close attention to smoothly transitioning between different footwork patterns and into your freezes. Adding sweeps, where you kick your leg around, and simple spins will introduce dynamic flair, making your routine more engaging and visually exciting for an audience. Now, let's build on your freezes and introduce some power. The chair freeze requires significant core and arm strength. Practice holding it for several seconds. Next, master the headstand, which is a vital precursor for many advanced power moves. When you're ready, slowly introduce simple power moves like the backspin. Always prioritize proper technique and safety to prevent injury and ensure steady progress in your breakdance journey. Consistency is key to mastering breakdance. Aim for at least 30 minutes of dedicated practice every day, focusing on repetition and refining your moves. Observe experienced dancers to draw inspiration and understand the vast array of styles within breakdancing. Ultimately, combine the techniques you've learned with your own creativity and personality to develop a unique and authentic style that truly represents you as a dancer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.